Happy Halloween, All Hallows Eve, Samhain, and Pusheen unboxing. Whew, I'm feeling a little bit unhinged today, but it is exciting and I am exhausted and so ready. Whew. All right, we have a Pusheen beanie right on top. It's so cute, the little kitty ears. Oh my word, that's adorable. And oh my gosh, a spooky card. All right, so we've got our little beanie to keep us warm. Perfect for right now. It is Halloween day. We had our first full-on snowstorm here in Wisconsin. It was amazing. And yeah, here we go. Ooh, we have, is this a scarf? It is a blankie. Ooh, got a little blankie to hide under for when it gets too spooky today. Oh, it's a really little kind of lap blankie. TBH, the perfect size for being on the chair. I'm going to specifically set aside for this one. I bought a blanket to cut down for on the chair, and I have yet to do so because I am a bum. Next, we have the mushiest, gushiest, kitty tummiest feeling hoodie. Oh my goodness. You can snuggle with yourself. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. It is a pullover hoodie. It's got a drawstring hood and there is a large embroidery on the back. Oh, she looks so cute with her tiny ghost. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited to put this one on. I love it. Next up, we have our vinyl. Oh, she's cute. The box, again, is a little bit damaged, but I'm excited for a new Scaredy Cat vinyl. And TBH, I always take my other box anyway. Oh, she is a Scaredy Cat. That's so cute. Set these ones aside. Next, we have a Scaredy Cat nightlight. Oh gosh. We keep our little spooks away. Here we go. Oh, it's really cute and tiny. The little acrylic ones, there's a film on either side so it will lose that foggy effect. And pops right in. Tiny black base. Super adorable. Oh my goodness, I love that. And it can take 3 AA batteries or a USB cable. So it is able to be battery powered if you would like. Wunderbar. I love it when you have the option, especially for the little bitty lights like that. I am doubly excited for this one here. We got a mug. Oh, I want to see my spooky mug. Spooky mug. Spooky mug. Oh, and she's big. Spooky. Black coffee, iced coffee, haunted coffee is perfect. Oh, I love it. She looks so spooked. All right, and last but not least, we have little window decals. We have 2 of them in here. Let me get them out. Here we go. Everyone can see Pusheen. We have Pusheen with her little love bunny and Pusheen getting spooked. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh, these are really adorable, and I'm really happy with this seasons. So that's everything that we have for y'all, and I love you all so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.